Hi everyone, and welcome to Eden's Secret. Today we're making some more cupcake soaps. Let's blend. One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I might even put some TD in this today, just a little bit, like a pastel. I don't know, it seems to need some white in there to make it like a true pastel. Right, so that's 50 drops altogether, and then we want to put a bit of TD in, so we'll try, how many drops? Oops, must have been at least 6 there. $20, I would say. That's 40. So 50 drops of the pink, 50 drops of the white. So I'll just start off by stirring it in, and then I'll give it a little blend. We'll just see if it makes any difference to blending it than just stirring it. No difference. Right, so in goes our fragrance oil, which is Love Potion from Grace Fruit. I'm just testing a fragrance over here. One you'll see in the future, because it is my most favourite smell that I found from 2021, and I'm just testing it in soap. It's a very clear colour, and it hasn't accelerated at all yet. Right, so the fragrance is in, the colours are in, it's now time to pour. Okay, so this is our next layer, and we're going with Neptune Blue from the Soap Kitchen, which I absolutely love. Okay, time to pipe the second layer with the round tip. All the links to the tips and everything I'm using in this video is in the description box below. The first pipe with the round tip is always the best one, always the neatest, because it's hardly ever got any air pockets in it. But as you put more soap into the frosting bag, there's more risk to getting air pockets in there. So that's what these beautiful cupcakes look like wet. I actually think they look better wet, but they have to dry to a mat. We always get a mat, don't we, with soap. but they look absolutely spectacular. Just about everyone has piped perfectly, and we've got a lovely rose effect on the top. And here we go. I'm sure my cupcakes get bigger and bigger all the time. But, you know, cold processed soap does shrink a bit from the moment you've made it till the week it's cured. I don't know, just adding that little bit of titanium dioxide does make a difference, I think. And it is just a little bit. So these ones are positively pink. Now on my Snow Fairy cupcakes, Kathy Mazinko suggested positively pink for the Snow Fairy cupcakes, but I think that name will work much better for these cupcakes here. So that's what we're going to call them. So that's it. I'll see you all very soon for another video from Eden's Secret. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Thanks for your support. Bye bye for now.
Quando aquece